Good morning. Futures Trader Elite here on Monday, 9/22. We're going to start looking at the 15-minute chart, see if we can find us some levels today. This is a 1-hour trend line. Let me get my cursor, might help y'all see better. This is the 1-hour trend line. I did move this. It was over here, kind of already broke, but I went ahead and moved it anyway. What we're going to be looking at is, you see we got our golden pivot point right here. This is our high. So from what I can see right here on this 15-minute chart, this candle right here sucked all the way down to this line pretty much. Went on down, tested this yellow line, came up, tested it again, sucked down, sucked down. So I'd have to see this break above this box, which is from, that's when I need the global or the local on there. That box is from about 810 to 825. It needs to break above this box for me, I think, to get bullish on this. First, it's got to break the golden pivot point, which is around 800, but this was a lot of rejection going on in this little area, just right here, for me. So I'm going to be watching to see if this is going to break back through this line again. If it does, I'm going to be eyeballing this yellow line for a bounce, which is around 755. Then we got this box from 700 to 730 down here, with a support pivot in it at 715. So, you know, I'd be looking, if we break through to the downside, I'm not sure I'd play the initial reaction touch to this box. I might try this pivot first instead of the top of this box, or from the pivot to the bottom. I think is going to be, we just need to wait till the market opens and see exactly what way they want to take this, whether we're on to the upside or to the downside. If they do take it to the upside and we break above this box, though, you know, if we get to this high with some speed, that'll be a short, first reaction short for sure, for probably a 25 point rejection or so, I would think. Hopefully, if it gets there with speed, if it just trickles along today up this line or something, and then it probably cancel it out. We got and we would have to break below this box here for me to really get too worried about what I'm going to be going for the. I mean, I'll probably be shorting anything under this box today when it sets up. You know, especially if we break under this line, I'll keep shorting. But I'll start from my bounce plays. I'll start down here around this pivot probably. It's 715 to the bottom of this box. And then I'll keep shorting again. Even if it does bounce, it might bounce back to this yellow line before rejecting and coming on down some more. This yellow line down here is around 650. Actually around 647, say 650. And then you can see we got this candle right here on this last drive down, got close to that line. So, you know, if we did come down through all that, I'd be looking at this low over here thinking, well, there's this line. Maybe I'll put my orders in up here around 655 to 660, just in case, because see, it got down there and sucked all the way back up. So that's nothing but a wick there. Now, that'd be something else I'll look at to the downside, but you know, all in all, I will update live in the live trade channel in the Discord. So if you're not part of the Discord, come join for free. I'll be trying to take some screenshots and update it in there as we go once the market opens. I hope everybody has a good opening week, and I'll see you guys on a recap later today. Have a good day.